All right. Hey again, guys. If you've seen my shorts or previous videos, I've been talking about this exact thing. Okay, so I was saying months ago that AWS is going to be big. Now, look, not every article that goes on these news media is necessarily a lie, right? Like here, they had an opportunity to get an interview with the CEO of Amazon. Okay, that's a big opportunity for CNBC. So, this again, not all articles are a lie. There is a general agenda to promote a lying narrative in many articles, but this article here is not a lie. This is truth. This is one of the occasional true articles. Okay, like I said, AWS is going to blow up with AI integration. I've been saying this for months, and now it's hitting the news. Okay, I'm not going to unveil my source. It's not insider information, nothing illegal, but I did have a source who told me that AWS is going to blow up. And again, it's not insider information. It's just somebody who knows things about the future. I'm not going to get into it. I know that sounds wacky, but it is kind of mystical, whatever. Somebody told me that AWS is going to blow up. And so I can't take credit for knowing this play, but I'm going to share this play with you guys so that you guys have an opportunity to make a good financial investment as the Federal Reserve, Treasury, and big banks work to bankrupt us through destroying the purchasing power of the dollar, right? If you want to hedge against the depreciation of your cash, AWS, man. Put your money in Amazon. Do an Amazon roll call strategy. Long-term options, right? So you do long-term options maybe for later this year or for early next year, and then you roll those calls for another like 6 to 8 months out, and then just keep rolling the calls over the years. I guarantee you will make thousands and thousands of percent of return on those call options if you pick a decent strike price that's like kind of pretty decently out of the money, far out in the future. Look, people are thinking like Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, like all that stuff. I'm telling you guys, Amazon's going to be the winner. Just watch. Amazon is going to take over. AWS is going to take over. Okay, they have their own AI specific chips. Okay, so this is their own chips. It's not like the other chips. These things, this Amazon is going to explode. Okay, just watch. Okay, Nvidia is hot right now. Nvidia is probably going to do very well, but I'm telling you, Amazon's going to be the winner. Okay, Amazon's going to be a big winner. I don't know if they'll beat Nvidia, but they probably will. Okay, it just, if you just think about it, who has more firepower to put into producing their chips and improving their chips? It's going to be Amazon. Okay, Amazon's like one of the biggest companies in the world. Just trust me, guys. AWS is the move. Okay, so get some call options for next year for Amazon, or buy some shares too if you want. Trust me, this is going to blow up. Okay, get in. Okay, look, the market is at a bit of a discount right now. I mean, so what's the strategy again, guys? Right? We have a red, or that's not a red day. This is a red day. That's not a high. So where are we looking to enter? Well, let's go look at the specific Amazon stock for this case, right? Okay, so I guess that's not a red day. So, I mean, up to you. Personally, I would still consider buying below the low of this day valid because, I mean, look, because of this play, this fundamental play that I'm giving you. But if you want to wait, then wait a bit longer, wait for a red day that's not a high, and buy some call options below that day. If it goes below that day, if that's a red day, like any red day that's not a high, buy call options below the low of that day. If it sells off for a month or whatever, or the market makes a big pullback or whatever, trust me, it'll just end up being a fake out in the long run. But yeah, so if we get another red week on Amazon, I would definitely be like increasing my leverage below the low of a red week that's not a high. I doubt we have a red month. I doubt we close red on a month in Amazon for the rest of the year. But I mean, we could. If we close red on a monthly candle below, then buying below the low of that red monthly candle on Amazon will be one of the best investment opportunities that you ever get in your lifetime. Okay? I'm being dead serious. This is like probably the best. This is the most important video that I've put out so far. Just because I'm giving you a once in a lifetime opportunity. Now I know Amazon since its inception, like obviously they've done stock splits, but if you were in back when it was about way, like, this is like what, almost 200x your money. Not really, like probably like 100x if you just bought shares. Okay, but they brought it down to a discount with this little fake recession thing last year that well, it's not fake, but a recession that was engineered ahead of time. And as you can see, it's ripping out of this recession. Okay, these highs, guys, these highs are going to be in the dust. These highs are going to be in the absolute dust one day in the near future. Okay, mark my words. So this is the stock. If you don't want to overthink how to trade, all that stuff, and you just want an easy play to fall back on while you're learning to trade, this is it. Look nowhere else. Nobody else is going to be talking about this. And just remember who helped you with this play when the play plays out in a year or two down the road, when you've made thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or perhaps millions of dollars off this play. Or just remember that I was saying it here, okay, and come back to my channel, and at that point, then we'll see what I have for you then, okay? But I'm just telling you, this is the play, okay? There's no other play you need, okay? Everything else is just a bonus. Let this be the foundation of your investments over the next few years, okay? So, take care, guys.